We'll guide you through how to cancel your Trello subscription. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Trello website. Log in with your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, navigate to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile picture or initials, which will bring up a drop-down menu. From there, select Profile and Visibility. This will take you to a new page. Look for the Plans tab, which is usually located on the left-hand side menu, and click on it. Here, you will see the details of your current subscription plan. Find the Manage Subscription link and click on it. This will redirect you to a billing and subscription management page. Now, look for the option that says Cancel Subscription. Click on it, and you may be asked to confirm your decision or provide feedback on why you're canceling. Make sure to follow any on-screen instructions carefully to complete the cancellation process. It's important to note that canceling will prevent future charges, but you may still have access to premium features until the end of your billing cycle. If you're having trouble finding any of these options, ensure that your browser is updated and that you have administrative permissions on the account. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.